In this episode, you're going to learn the best actions to take if you're ever sued by a major bank or creditor for unpaid debt. Sturgis Credit Repair is a 5-star rated online credit repair company. We help people just like you build or rebuild their credit scores. If you have no credit history, we offer products to help you build credit history so that you never have to depend on anyone co-signing for you. If you have bad credit, enroll into our service today and allow us to work on the negative items affecting your credit scores. We take no money up front, so start our service today for free. You'll get updated through your online account as well as receiving updates through your email. For those who are trying to buy a home, we're partnered with multiple real estate agents and loan officers who are ready to assist you with your goals. If you are a real estate agent, loan officer, or anyone dependent on customers with good credit, create a free partner account with us today. You can manually send or receive clients through your online account as well as track their progress before they go to someone else. Visit our website to learn more about our service. So before we get started with this episode, just want to let all of you know who are watching or listening, I am not a lawyer and I cannot represent you in court if you are being sued for any unpaid debt. This episode is just giving you some recommended actions that you should take to hopefully avoid being sued or what to do instantly if you are being sued by a major bank. So in the previous episode, I explained how a bank can sue you for any unpaid debt or unpaid balances if you agree to repay them back. So if you haven't watched or listened to that previous episode, go check that one out before moving forward with this one. So this episode here is just explaining the 3 steps of how a lawsuit usually takes place for unpaid debt. So the first thing that usually happens is the bank file a complaint against you. So they go to your local courthouse, they file a complaint. In this complaint, it's going to show all of the contracts, you agreeing that you're going to repay this amount, etc. It's also going to show that you stop or you fail to repay the amount and when you stop paying the amount or when you stop making payments to this major bank. Secondly, the courthouse is going to give this complaint to your local police department and a police officer is going to knock on your door and have you sign this complaint. So pretty much this is just records for the courthouse of you just, I guess, acknowledge that you understand you are being at risk of being sued and that you understand that this creditor or major bank is really taking action against you. So you sign that. Once you do that, you want to take action instantly. So you want to contact the creditor, work out any type of payment plans or repayment plans, and just, kind of settle and close the account. You also want to start looking for some attorneys online, just, seeing who does free consultations and just to make sure you're getting some pretty positive information in case you are ever sued and need to contact an attorney. Then you already have one kind of on speed dial. You already did your research on lawyers. You already know which one you're going to use. So the second step of this, if you don't do any or you don't take any action of this, then the creditor is really going to file this lawsuit against you. So if you just ignore this information and step number 2 happens and you're summoned to court, this is when the bank sent all of the information to the courthouse. The courthouse makes the lawsuit legit, and then again the police officer is going to summons you to court. Inside of that summons is going to be a court date and time you must respond to your local courthouse. So like I said, when you're summoned to court, this is the official notice of the lawsuit. This is when you need your lawyer on standby. You need to hire one ASAP because this is when you're really going to need an attorney to represent you in court. If you kind of don't know what to do on your own, a lawyer can really help you. Number 3, when you go to court, the court make a decision. They're going to decide if you legally owe the debt or you don't owe the debt. 9 times out of 10, the bank have all information on you. They got where you apply for the account. They got you signing the contract, agreeing that you're going to repay the amount. The chances of the chances of the courthouse finding that you don't legally owe the account is slim. So the court make a decision. They find that you legally owe the amount. That's all the courthouse is for, just to prove that you owe it. And the court is going to garnish your wages, meaning every paycheck that you receive from work, X amount of dollars is going to come out of that paycheck until you pay that amount back in full that you owe this major bank or creditor. Secondly, whenever your your wages are garnished, there's going to be a public record or a judgment listed on your credit report, and that can report up to 10 years. So to avoid all of this, The best thing to do, as I said in the previous episode, is to just pay your bills on time, avoid being sued. And like I said, 9 times out of 10, you're being sued because you didn't take any early action. If you know you're going to miss a payment one of these months, or you know you're going to have trouble paying off the account eventually, reach out to your bank and just let them know what's going on. Don't wait the last minute, or don't wait until the account gets charged off. Jump on this, get a head start, and just, kind of work out some type of payment plan with your bank before getting to this point where they start suing you to go to court and get your wages garnished, or getting any type of public record listed on your credit report that can affect your scores for 10 years. So hopefully you learned something in this episode. Again, I'm not a lawyer. I didn't tell you what to do once you actually go to court. I just recommended what actions you should take before you're sued, and what to do once you're actually sued, which is consult with a lawyer. So thank you for watching or listening to this episode. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.